Hello there!
Less than a month before Christmas? Kumpleto na ba ang mga ireregalo nyo? Kung hindi pa or magsisimula ka pa lang, don't you worry, I got you. Yes! Noel Bazaar is once again open for its third leg this year. And this time, wala nang, nako, di kaya ng schedule. Nako, may pasok ako.
Naku talaga. Charas.
Kasi nga this third leg is the longest run of Noel Bazaar this year. It will run for 5 days from November 26 to November 30.
Ang mas exciting pa dito lalo is sa World Trade Center siya. So sobrang laki ng venue and you can expect so many options available. Bags, accessories, toys, and many more. You can find different shops here na mostly online based. And yung iba, yung mahihirap mapuntahan. Pagdating sa food, kapag ginutom, ang dami dito.
Not to mention free taste pala, busog na busog ka na. The highlight here in Noel Bazaar is part of the proceeds go to Kapuso Foundation.
So bawat bili nyo ng item ay sure na may matutulungan. Kaya mas magaan sa feeling, di ba? And that's the true meaning of Christmas, giving.
By the way, there is an entrance fee of 150 pesos. And that's it. Pwede na kayo mag-ikot-ikot dito or makapamili ng ipangre-regalo nyo.
Location is accessible, dates mas pinahaba, prices saktong-sakto lang, at selections sobrang dami.
Papalagpasin mo pa ba? Halika na at mag-enjoy dito sa Noel Bazaar.
O siya.
Hanggang sa susunod na Bazaar Adventures natin, hit the kids, be!